Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm cutting my hair. And okay, so I cut my hair in the last hair video, but I'm actually cutting it all the way down. I know I told you guys that I was gonna wait like 3 to 6 months before I cut it all off, but in my last video you guys were like, girl, just cut it all. You're just prolonging the inevitable, and I agree, but what really made me want to cut it is that one, this is my last chance to have short hair because I don't think I'd ever have short hair by choice. I would only do it if I really had damage and I had to cut my hair. And I don't think I'm ever going to damage my hair again to this extent. So I figured my hair's already damaged. I kind of miss my short hair. I hate the fact that I don't have enough pictures from when my hair was short because I wasn't like confident enough to wear it out and stuff like that. So I definitely want to like experience it again, and this time actually enjoy it and wear it out and get pictures. And the other thing is that I was deep conditioning my hair and I realized that I'm deep conditioning hair that is gonna be cut off and I'm kind of just wasting product at this point. That definitely really made me want to cut it because like we don't have money to be wasting product, and if I can save money on product, then that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and cut my hair. I am 90% excited, but I'm still kind of nervous. I'm like 10% nervous, but I'm not that nervous. Not as nervous as I was in the first video, which is weird because I'm going much shorter. I'm cutting all the damage off. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do it. Let's get started. I don't want to ramble on for too long. I know some of you guys wanted to see me cut my hair in like a tapered style, but I don't have the time to go to a professional, and I don't really know how to cut my hair in a tapered style. And I'm mostly just wanting to cut my hair to get it back to health. I don't really want to cut it for a style. And since my hair, I think the damage is like pretty even, I don't want to like cut my sides shorter than I need to or like leave more on top just to have a style. I kind of just want to get rid of all the damage so that I can start growing my hair healthy again. So yeah, so we're just gonna kind of cut to where the healthy hair begins, and I'm gonna cut the front first because that'll kind of give me an idea of how much I need to cut in the back because the damage is mostly in the front and the sides. Yeah, I don't really know how to go about this. So this is probably gonna be uneven, but honestly guys, I don't care that much. I'm ready to move past this phase and just, you know, be back to healthy hair. So this section's gonna be pretty easy to cut because I can clearly see that I just kind of need to go like that. So I'm just gonna kind of let the damage guide me because honestly, if I cut too much, it's fine. It's whatever. I don't care. It'll grow. And if I cut too little, it's fine. Again, I'm probably gonna get, once my hair gets back to health, I'm gonna go to a professional and get it cut evenly. But right now, I just need to get rid of this damage. I'm gonna just cut it right here. Oh my God, you guys. That's a good like 4 inches. Oh my God, it's so short. Oh my God, it's so easy to just like detangle and like run my fingers through it. Okay, one section done. And I can't even twist it or anything because it's so short. Oh well, moving on. I'm gonna divide this section into 2. Yeah. I have a little bit of breakage pretty much everywhere, so every section should have a little bit of a guideline. I'm more concerned about the back because the breakage isn't as extreme, but I hope that I'll still be able to kind of see where to cut. But if not, I'll just cut based on like how much I think I should cut. I'm thinking right here. That's crazy. Wow. I cannot believe I'm back to this short. of hair. This haircut is a mess, y'all. Okay, I think it looks relatively even. And it feels like I'm getting a lot of the damage off, so... Oh my god. I feel like I'm being crazy right now, you guys. I just can't believe I'm doing this. This side is a little bit harder for me to tell where I need to cut. I think I'm gonna cut like right here. They look similar in length. Close enough. Keep going. I'm gonna cut it like right here. The fact that I'm giving myself a whole haircut and I legit cannot even see what I'm doing is crazy. Okay. Alright, let's do this last section and then that'll pretty much be it for the front half. I'm just gonna kind of follow the guide of the rest of the hair that I've already cut. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it like right here. Ah! Okay. What am I doing? Guys, it's actually not that bad. It's... As far as evenness, it's not that bad, and I think I'm getting most of the damage off, so, I mean, that's all that matters. It's a little bit uneven, but it's not that bad. It's not terrible. It's nothing that a trim won't fix in the future. Like, right here, it's a little bit uneven, but I don't know if I want to do anything about that. But yeah, it's relatively even. Oh my god, my hair feels so thick. That's wild. Okay, so I don't even know what to do with this front section of hair because I can't like put it in a ponytail or twist or anything because it's too short for that. While I work on the back. Oh lord. Maybe I should have started on the back. Let's see if we can put it in a ponytail. Girl. It's not working. We can't put this hair away, so it'll just kind of be chilling while we do the back. I'm just kind of filling like where it's thick and then it kind of stops being thick, and I'm just gonna cut like right here. It's really hard to see it clearly on camera in the back because the damage isn't quite as bad, so it's hard to see that line of demarcation. Yeah. I'm cutting my hair and I can't even see what I'm doing. Cutting hair is hard. I'm never doing this at home again. Alright, y'all. I'm done. Wow. Alright, guys. That is it. We're back to a TWA. This is all the hair that I cut off. It had to go. So I'm gonna just put some water in my hair. I kind of want to get it back to being, you know, in its kinky state so we can see. It's pretty short, you guys. It's really, really short. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm not gonna style it, but I just kind of want to see how short it is in its shrunken state. Oh my god. I have a TWA. Yeah, it looks so much better now that it's like shrinking because it looks more like an afro. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm like speechless. I don't even know what to say right now. So I am back. I had to take a breather. I was so shook. I literally was speechless. I didn't even know what to say. It's been like an hour and now I'm back. But yeah, so the haircut is done and I actually think I like it. I think I'm gonna like it more once I've like styled it, put some gel in it, or done like a twist out, or just like defined my curls and stuff like that. I mean, honestly, I kind of like it like this too, but it's just not styled. It's just like there's no product really except for like aloe vera juice. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, you guys. I felt like I was really calm and collected during the cut, and then after the cut I was just like, what have you done? It just like hit me and I just was like shook. But yeah, we're done. We've done it. Thank you guys so much for all your encouragement. Yeah, I don't think I would have done this if you guys hadn't like pushed me and told me that like it'll grow back, just do it, you know, and sharing your stories and letting me know that you guys have been through the same thing. It definitely helps. So thank you guys so much for all your encouragement, and I hope this inspires some of you guys to cut your hair if your hair is damaged, because you guys know we're about health of a length. So if you need to take that leap, just do it, and grow your hair out with me. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I'm still shook a little bit right now, and I need to just go get used to it, but I do actually really like it. It's just a different look that I have to like get used to, and now I have to change my style accordingly, because I feel like I'm gonna need to be more edgy like with this look, because like I'm gonna just have to be more edgy. I can't really go for like the, you know, sweats and like girly look anymore. I need to go edgy and like sexy. That needs to be the mood for this fall. So yeah, anyway, but this time around I'm definitely gonna enjoy my hair short. I'm probably gonna wear it short mostly, but I am gonna wear wigs. So I've kind of figured out a safer method of wearing wigs, and I'm gonna make a video on that. It'll probably be my next video, so stay tuned for that. But since the winter is coming, I think that I will wear wigs here and there, but I'm gonna leave my hair alone. I don't want to mess with it too much. I want to give it a chance to just bounce back and grow and like just nurture it back. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be enjoying this length in the process. That's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I'm gonna be doing, I don't know if I'm gonna do many hairstyles with this cut, because like I said, I do want to leave my hair alone. But if I find some like safe hairstyles, I'll definitely share them with you guys. Or if I find protective hairstyles for short hair, I'll share it with you guys, because I know that you guys are gonna want content on how to take care of short hair. Most of my videos were on how to take care of like medium to long hair, and like most of my hairstyles were on that, because I didn't really get on YouTube when my hair was short. But now that it's short, we're definitely going to be doing content on styling short hair and stuff like that. So stay tuned, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on. And yeah, that's it. I'm shook right now, so I'm gonna go and like freak out to my sisters and my mom. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.